Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that a security researcher has been talking about, and actually a security firm called Cyberhaven has discovered towards the end of the year that some extensions were compromised. And this is, according to them, the new way that we'll have to be careful in coming months and weeks and years. And it's the fact that extensions that are in the browser could be actually compromised and start stealing personal data. The Cyberhaven security company said that extensions used by mostly organizations right now actually compromised 2.6 million browser PCs and on the PCs, and they actually up to 35 different extensions were found to be basically snooping on you. So the information that these could steal is cookies, identities, so your identity and profile for websites, for example, your browsing history, the browsing data, so all the websites that you go to, and the metadata that goes with them. That's why, scooping of data is a problem. Passwords, many extensions have sufficient permission to actually display in plain text the passwords that are being used and submitted to websites. Web page content, text input, anything that you write, a little bit like a keylogger. So all passwords and usernames, even though they would be encrypted between, say, your browser and the computer at the other end, because it reads the keyboard and your input could technically find all of the information needed to actually access your passwords and usernames for websites. And it could actually trigger microphone and or camera on your computer. So this is something that is fairly new. There have been some compromised extensions in the last few years, but usually they were, few, and they were discovered quite quickly by, either Google Threat or any other security company that checks for, security inside browsers and on the internet. But now this is kind of a new way of doing it that could easily be a good extension that turns bad and that makes for snooping, and it could go on for a long time before anybody actually knows about it. So this, once again, they're saying, install extensions only from the trusted sources. You know that that's a good extension, a good company, and use the least amount of extensions possible. That will, of course, help you stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.